Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Fragrant Jewels, and this is their Rose Bath Bomb. It's from their Mom Mother's Day set, and I did get this in a set with a matching candle, and I do have the video already up for it in case you want to see what I got. But I did like that cute elongated rose shape that it came in. It was really cute with the two-tone colors. And like most bath bombs that are pigmented like this with the pinks, reds, blues, and purples, I did get some staining on my fingers from picking it up and checking it in the water. It washed away very easily with soap, and I didn't get any staining on the rest of my body, so that was good. But it was super foamy. It filled up my tub, and I did enjoy watching that. Mostly floral scented. It was jasmine, some peony and gardenia in there, but it did have some pomegranate and apple for some sweetness, which I did really enjoy. And what's unique about this set is that it comes with a candle that has a necklace in it, and the bath bomb contains a ring. So this is the only set that has that combination right now from Fragrant Jewels. I believe the other set that they came out like this was the Love Bath Bomb with a necklace and a ring. But that was really unique for this, and I did like that. But once your bath bomb is finished, you will get a code with your ring, and that'll give you the appraisal value of your ring as well as reward points when you enter it onto their website. And this ring did appraise for $25, and I got 25 reward points for it. It was really cute. I do like the color. It's not red, it's pinkish, more like a coral color. Really pretty. And it has that flower shape with some clear stones around it. And the stone is actually dome or kind of like a gemstone shape, which I thought was really cute. It's a really neat, unique ring. And I did love the color the most about this. And if you want to see what else they have in this collection, they do have pictures on their website. So you can check that out. But if you'd like to see more ring reveals, I do have more on my channel that you can check out. And I have plenty more to come, so stay tuned. And thanks again for watching.